Do you want to enhance your user engagement with custom advanced forms on Wix.com? By incorporating forms, website owners can gather valuable information from visitors, such as contact details, feedback, and survey responses. You can use this data to improve the website, build relationships with your visitors, and drive business growth. But before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content every day. So if you don't have a form yet, you can create one for free in Formulu, so let's head over to our Formulu dashboard. Here are all the ready to customize templates. Let's use this one today. Here you can add new fields, remove fields, and here's a logic. If we click on the advanced logic, you can add and change your logic. In the notifications tab, you can choose this option to get a notification every time someone submits and also choose to forward the notification to another team member if you want to. Change the design in the design tab. Here in the settings, you can choose a payment option too. For a more in-depth tutorial on how to customize your form, I left a link below. Okay, so now that we have our form, let's head back to our dashboard and click on the three dots on our form here and click on View Code and Widgets button and copy the code to embed the form on your web page. Great, now let's start by opening our Wix editor page or post where you want to embed your form. Go to the editor to start adding new fields. On the left side of your editor, click on the plus add button. Scroll down to add an HTML code field. In the pop-up window, paste the code you copied from your Formulu and save. Now you can publish your page to let your visitors use the form. And that's it! Bringing Formulu and Wix together allows users to easily create and embed advanced forms, such as surveys and quizzes, onto their website pages. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share with your friends. Happy formulaing!